Happiness is all about a mind game. Good morning, everybody. This is Naval in front of you with another episode of Story Bank. The story is all about Ali's prayer. This story inspired me a lot. I would, I'm damn sure that it would inspire you a lot. It's totally depend or it's definitely shows the dedication of a person who is totally dedicated to the god. There was a one person named Ali, by profession, by painting as a profession. He would always love his work to do his social activities, do his daily activities, uh, to take care of his family well. Apart from these day to day activity, he was always would go to the mosque, do his 5 times namaz in a day on a daily basis. He would never be late to do the namaz. Everybody uh, knew him because of the prayer. He always used to go to the mosque for the prayer. He always used to do the prayer at the same time and the same place. He was known for his dedication. Everybody knew that he is the man who has always come on time and never be late and never missed his prayer ever. And if somebody or some people would come early, uh, before the alis, he would leave that space where the Ali usually do his prayer for Ali. One day suddenly a voice, when everybody was praying to the Allah namaz, a voice came loudly that Ali, listen to me, and your 20 years of rigorous prayer would not be accepted at all. The voice was so loud that everybody was hearing that. After hearing, after heard that voice, everybody was shocked, because Ali was the only person in the society that he would always go for the namaz daily without missing a single day in 20 years. How would his prayers would not reach to that place where it should be? Everybody was shocked, but after offering the namaz to Allah, the Ali was so happy that he was just doing dance here and there. Everybody was shocked by seeing him so happy, because everybody was thinking that after hearing that voice, he would cry, he would sit on one place and cry. But he did the opposite of the thinking of the people. So he was just laughing, he was just dancing on the ecstasy. So when he stopped, people would come to gather him and asked, why are you so happy? You should have regret that you did 20 years of rigorous prayer, rigorous namaz, but not a single day it would reach to the place where it should have. So, and if your prayer was not accepted by Allah, where we are not so regular, we come to the mosque on occasional basis, where we do have a time, we come for offerings, or we come for the prayer, but you are the only person who come daily and is very punctual for his prayer. If you are not accepted by the Allah, how would we be accepted? So he said very politely that it does not matter my prayer has been accepted by Allah or not. I'm happy that my 20 years of dedication to Allah or for the namaz has been recorded has been recorded by somebody, so that somebody is recording my dedication, somebody is recording my prayer, that I'm doing prayer on daily basis since 20 years. It does not matter that my prayer has been reached to the Allah or not. It matters that a 20 years of dedication or doing prayers for 20 years, that somebody is recording my things. So that is the best thing I can have. So so the moral we can learn from this story is, happiness is all about a mind game. It does not matter that what the story is. Sometimes the same story can make you laugh, the same story can you make you cry. So it totally depend on the situation, or it totally depend on the mind where you are, or how do you take that. So I would request you all, or I would request myself also, that we should take the things not very seriously, or there should be no impact on us by the things which is done by the others. Thank you so much.